Searching forms. Now let's go back to Fusion applications and I'm going to quickly show you the search forms functionality. Different modules have got different features in relation to search. So let's go to General Ledger module and there I'm going to demonstrate you this function. So I'm going to minimize this and then we'll go back to Fusion applications. Here I'm going to come out of this particular setup related form. What I will do is I will rather click on this manage implementation project so that I can come out of that, because the form is giving some form of a error. And now I'm going to go to the navigator, switch the responsibility to General Ledger accounting dashboard, and within that I will go to inquire and analyze balances. So that's one place you can do an inquiry as the name suggests. Okay. So now it leads us to this particular form, which is nothing but the financial reporting center, wherein you can inquire by the balances, or you can inquire by average balances, or you can go and inquire by journal lines or detailed balances. So let's take as an example, if I go to journal lines and here you choose these different search criteria. So let's say this is our ledger, and automatically it's going to default a number of things which you can always override. You can see the journal posting status as posted. You can optionally choose the journal source or journal category, and then the from accounting period I'm going to choose as May 14, and then you have to choose the balancing segment value, which is nothing but the company segment value that you have assigned in your ledger, and then choose an account. So let's say cash account, and then hit the search button, and it's gonna return all the results of the journals that meets this criteria that you have given. So look at this. You've got two journals over here that have met the criteria. Now in future, as an accountant, if you want to keep coming back to this form and do a similar search, then you can save this particular search criteria. So you can hit the save button over here, and then it lets you save this particular search criteria as a name. So next time when you come over here, you can open that search criteria and automatically it's gonna run the search results over here for you. You can also make that as a default search criteria for this particular form for your user. So if you want to reset this particular form, you can hit the reset button over here, which is going to take off all the values that you have given. There is also a feature of advanced search in this particular form, which will let you specify a couple of more details as compared to the basic search that you have given. It seems to be pretty much similar, but probably have got something more. And then you can always add more fields to the search criteria, which is what is add field is all about. So let's say if I would like to add a field called as currency type. Okay, it's already there, so I'm going to take that off, and then I would say something else. Let's say something like journal batch ID. If you would like to search by a specific batch ID which gets stored in the database for each batch that you create, so that is an added criteria. So that's what is some added functionality of an advanced search over the basic search feature. So that's as far as the searching in form is concerned, but as I said, every form that you go will have different look and feel, different fields within that pertaining to the form and its functionality.